Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install Binance on our mobile device. Now let us begin. Well, right now I'm in the Android, and do note that you can install it on the iOS as well. Well, since I am in the Android right now, I'm gonna open up the Play Store. Well, as you can see, I have opened up the Play Store. Now let's simply search for Binance right here. At the bottom right, you can see the search icon. Simply click on it, and now let us search for Binance. Well guys, this is it. Once you've done that, simply hit on enter. And guys, this is it. This is the application that you guys need to install. Well, do note that I have already installed it. In context that you have not, you will see the install button right here. Simply click on it. Else, if you want more detailed information regarding this application, simply click on the app icon. And you can find the install button right here. Simply hit on it and the application will be installed in your mobile device. You can do the same for iOS as well. Well guys, that is it. That's how we install Binance in your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.